Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another NFT project for y'all, especially for a woman that are interested in the NFT and crypto space, as the owners of this project want to build a strong and loyal community for women that want to connect with each other, as we haven't seen that many women in this space, unfortunately, but I already see the number grow and I love to see it. I also love to see that people from every kind of country, every kind of background are entering the space. People that are already older, 30 plus, 40 plus, entering the space and learning more about each other. Even people that are 14 are already getting into crypto and NFTs. And I love how everybody wants to connect with each other, share some knowledge, ideas, and it's a great time to connect with people all over the world. So before we jump into the video on talking about all the details about this project, I want to make sure that you all know that I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research about this project, also about the NFT space. Don't spend more money that you're willing to lose. And let's jump into the video. So we have already seen NFT products that are building a women audience, women community blow up. Like World of Women, it has been one of the first ones that jumped on the train. And their floor is like 7 ETH, which is around about like $20,000 right now, which is amazing. Then we have also Women Rise, which is a new project that has already like a 0.27 floor, which has launched a couple of weeks ago. So that's amazing, and I can see that coming also with Multiverse of Women, as the community is already very strong. Floor price is already over the mint. They haven't sold out yet. You can go to the website and mint yours at a 50% discount, which is 0.025 ETH, which is around about like $70 with gas fees. You will probably pay like $130, which is amazing, and a good entry for people that are looking for ways to jump into the space and into projects that have a strong community. With other projects, you pay at least like $500 just to get into the Discord of holders. And with this project, you can already get in, and the Discord is already very active, so you can get to know these people. You can ask some questions about investing. They're talking of different kind of stuff like mental health through Wim Hof breathing methods, which is very interesting. I've looked into that one for a bit, and it looks like a very strong community. So jump into the Discord. It doesn't cost you anything to get in there. Right now they have 1,800 members in there and 7,600 Twitter followers, so they already get the ball rolling and built a good community, good audience. They haven't blew up yet, but I think as they're rolling out their marketing plans right now, it has a lot of potential. You can already see the art is amazing, and they have different kind of styles, different kind of audiences they talk to from different backgrounds. Also here like kind of a spiritual one, a basic one, also like a futuristic one. So I really like the art and also what they stand for. So their community stands for development, society, technology, also for the crypto space, and they want to educate each other, share some knowledge, and also talk about stuff that is besides of investing. Just some basic stuff, some regular conversations about mental health, women health, which is cool because I haven't seen these kind of strong communities somewhere else, like on Facebook. And I think this is the best way to find a community of women or any other kind of communities online. And if you've already jumped into a Discord channel, you see that everybody's kind to help each other, and you can also get like a cool NFT. So I really love that aspect of the NFT community and industry. What they really care about is the importance of inclusivity in the space, in the crypto space, and also they want to create a voting system for the MAU membership, people that hold the NFT, where they will support projects that are also sharing diversity and women-centric missions. And it's all about helping out each other, investing time and energy into supporting the women community. The best part about this project is really that they have 421 trades in their NFT project. So there are so many different looks, different accessoires, as you can already see. And the mint is just fun because you will never be able to expect what you will get from your mint, because they're all so versatile, different looks, different kind of backgrounds, and I really like it. So the mission is also to provide 10,000 meals to girls that are living in poverty, which is amazing. And here are some of the NFTs that already get minted. Here you have one that is mimicking Avatar, which is awesome. And yeah, look through them and see which kind of one you like. Maybe you will also mint one from their OpenSea page. So let's get to the roadmap. They already have created a Discord which you can join. Then we have the Mo Club. The first 250 people that mint an NFT will be able to join the Mo Club, and they will have limited perks like airdrops, Discord premium access, early access to other projects, charity voting rights, which is awesome. So other fact that they haven't revealed in the roadmap yet is that the first 1000 minters of their Multiverse of Women NFT will get a free airdrop of this NFT project into their MetaMask. So you don't even have to pay anything, and it also has like a decent floor price. It's a free airdrop, so it's not about flipping it, and it doesn't give you like other perks. It's just like a cool fact that they shared with you for free. So the art is pretty minimalistic. It's kind of like a NFT that you could print out on a Canva and hang into your living room, because it's just minimalistic and cool art. Also, the first 1000 minters will get into a prize pool where they can win either like a Fame Ladies NFT, 5 of the Woman in Weapons NFTs, and Woman Rise NFT, which is awesome. So you could even get another perk from being one of the first 1000 minters. They will also have some other giveaways like exclusive print giveaway, Discord Nitro giveaway, which will help you to level up faster on the Discord channels to get onto the whitelist of, let's say, like bigger projects. And they will also get you into a Ethereum raffle and also give you voting rights to support female artists. And of course, they're gonna buy some land in the metaverse, probably on Sandbox, so you can all connect there with each other in the metaverse. They will also have some legendary NFTs which you can get exclusive access to. You can enter the raffle. This one will be interesting as these NFTs already look very special, and imagine there will be some extra ones. They will also have a kind of merch store, and 10 people of the community or the holders will get 0.1 Ethereum, which is around about like $300 for the store. So you can get some free clothes, which is awesome. They also represent the movement. They will also put 10,000 meals for girls in poverty on the table, which I already mentioned, and it's just like a good heart project. So they're obviously already thinking into the future, and they will launch a V2 NFT project, and 50% of that profit will get back to the community. Also, just to let you know, the artist Praza drew all the NFTs by hand, and you can see like how many traits there are. So it has been a lot of work, a lot of editing, and she just put a lot of efforts just into the designs. Also like thinking into the future, building a roadmap, also the connections, which is awesome. I would also suggest you to jump into the Discord, get a feeling about the audience, the group, and yeah, if you really like to be a part of the movement, also follow them on Twitter, as they will keep you updated about new features that they're going to introduce to the NFT project. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of these kind of projects that are empowering women and other kind of projects that you are looking into. Give us a thumbs up, a comment, and a follow, and see you in the next video.